So range program uses very important approaches like market system development, where we strategically partner with private sector partners so that they can be able to come and train and build the capacity of communities to produce for the market, understanding what the market needs. And today the VSLA is one such opportunity where we bring together all the VSLAs in the 10 wards of VSLA County.
So we are happy today to have a VSLA conference here in Isiolo. As an organization, we are currently implementing a range program that is funded by Embassy of Kingdom of Netherlands, and it's a 5-year program, and mostly we are looking into governance and also financial inclusion. So as part of the financial inclusion, we hold this VSLA conference today, and this conference managed to bring together different actors, both from government, NGOs, and also private sectors.
Implementing partners. In VSLA County, we have over 185 groups of young people. Each group has 25 participants, and out of those, the 15 to 29 years age group are the ones involved in VSLAs. VSLAs is part of the financial inclusion bit of the Prime program and looks at empowering young people, most especially women and young girls, by ensuring that they are engaged in saving and they are able to put together some amount of money in the different communities, and they are able to support each other access financial services.
VSLA. Nimefurahi sana nilipoingia na hii tukaona VSLA. Wadi ya kwanza yenye nimeona ni VSLA. Nikafurahi sana nikasema kumbe leo ni siku yetu. Ni mambo yetu ndio inakuja kuongelelewa hapa. So, ningependa kuomba partners wale wako hapa. Sisi vision yetu sio tu VSLA tunafanya mwaka ikiisha, tuna share out na tunarudi tena zero. Tunataka kuona tukimaliza mwaka tutafanya mbinu gani? 5 groups, kila group wana raise more than 1 million. Hapo tunaweza pata more than 25 million. Hiyo 25 million mtatusaidia aje tushikanishe hiyo 25 million na mkituongezea sehemu juu tununue basi toke Nairobi ifike Addis.
So majorly what we are looking into, how can these VSLA small groups that are on the ground benefit from different opportunities that are at the government level. So today we managed to have a discussion and a meeting with the different government opportunities for which is financial institutions like Hustler Fund, Uwezo Fund, Youth Enterprise Fund, and also the MSMEs department.
3 very important private sector partners who work with the range program. Sidai Africa Kenya Limited that provide animal health services. Holland Green Tech Kenya Limited that provides horticulture and climate smart agricultural practices. And also Genco fresh meat, fresh livestock, fresh meat export that is able to buy livestock from communities and export them. So that is one of the key things of bringing these VSLAs to learn from each other, understand the gaps, learn from each other, and also understand what the private sector needs in those key areas.
That group, they have done the exhibition of different products that they are working in, but for Isiolo, mostly what we are looking into, there is a lot of opportunity for honey, which most of the groups are also working in, honey processing, gum and resins, food processing, and also in livestock products, mostly nyiri-nyiri, camel milk. These are some of the products that are available within this county that we are looking into, and also the beadwork that we are also looking into a business aspect of it with the private sectors.
Enjoyed, they were dancing, they were quite happy, they asked a few questions here and there, and so we feel they are now empowered and they know where to get these services from, and they will continue linking, and even they've gotten contacts of these various people, and they've already been able to sell some of the products that they do. I was also privileged to get a bid from one of our girl groups that is engaged in bead making, and I saw them quite happy and they had made some sales. So VSLAs empower young women and girls, and most of the times people ask why we concentrate much more with 80% of our target participants being young women and girls. The essence is they are already marginalized, and most of them at the community level do not really understand the aspect of financial inclusion. So we've been able to ensure that they come together in groups, they do savings, they access loan, they have a social fund. The social fund is usually to help them when they have an emergency. Maybe one of them is bereaved or is giving birth or they are celebrating a wedding. So they are supported through the social fund. And through the access of loans from the various VSLA groups, they are able to start their personal businesses, they are able to provide food for their households, and they are able to pay fees and medical for their children.
Yes. So as an organization in the future, what we are looking into, how can we organize these different groups that exist to form a cooperative? For example, in Isiolo, for the honey, there is no organized cooperative that exists within the county. So for honey production, different groups are doing honey in different part of this county. How can we bring together those individuals or groups who are doing the honey and form a cooperative at the county level?
VSLA is very important because it's a foundation of the business, especially for women groups and local communities who are mainly pastoralists, and where the pastoral economy now is very low. And they have been able to be brought together by partners like MIDB, Massicop, and the others to support them in establishing groups and do business. VSLS is a way forward because it helps small economies of individual and group women to take care of financial needs of their families in terms of school fees, medical, and also to start small businesses. So various small businesses can flourish. So we were encouraging the VSLS to establish themselves. It should not be just all merry-go-round, but they invest that money and help themselves. And the county government, through the Department of Trade, will work closely with the partners and national government organizations to support them. We also had today government agencies who support small groups like Hustler Fund and the others who talk to the communities here. And we hope through that the VSLA program is going to be boosted, and our women and youth are going to turn around their economy